Hello guys, well you're gonna spend a day with me working in a small hospital in Morocco. After waking up, I need to listen to some music. I'm going to get my stuff ready to go to work. It's still early. Shift starts at 10 a.m. It's 8 a.m. now, so I still got time. I'm going to pack my stuff. After that, I go outside to just breathe in and breathe out for a moment to relax my body. I clean my face and brush my teeth, grab the book of the day, pack my stuff, wear my shoes, close the door, and head to drink some coffee and eat something. Now after that, let's head into the hospital. The hospital is very far away, about 45 kilometers, so I need to walk few meters, take few taxis to reach my destination. When riding the taxi, I just like to read some books. Here I am arrived at a small city and I need to walk again to reach the hospital. Arriving at the hospital at the exact time, I forget my uniform. That's why I'll keep wearing jeans for today. Let's get to work. I'm getting a little bit tired because the emergency room is a little bit stressful today. There's a lot of patients. It's not quite easy to deal with so many patients. I'm gonna get some rest, eat something, and clean my teeth. Maybe read some few lines before going back to work again. When the shift is calm, I sometimes edit some videos. I like to do that when everything is very calm because I love making YouTube videos. Of course, we need to pray. Let's go back to work again, see some patients, and return to rest maybe. It's 8 p.m. now. The shift is now a little bit calm, so I'm gonna rest for a few hours maybe. Well, I hate when they wake me up at night. Let's go see some patients, even though I'm a little bit tired. Saying this moment, eating my dinner. Really good, I like it. And eating an apple, of course, because apples are very healthy, as they say. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Brush my teeth and go back to work. Even though I'm so tired at this moment. I believe it was 2 a.m. or 1 a.m. I was thinking here what I'm doing with my life. I should be doing something else. But you know, I love medicine and I love being a doctor. Saving lives is a great thing, to be honest. Alright, let's get some rest. No, they wake me up again, see some patients again, until 6 a.m. I think. I woke up at 6 a.m. and I was thinking about my life. I was thinking about my decisions and what I choose to do to become a doctor. Sometimes it's very stressful and very hard, and you have to deal with this kind of thoughts and kind of situations. It's a normal thing. It was quite a stressful night, to be honest. Pack my stuff, grab a cup of coffee and look at my channel analytics. Well, the channel seems like it's doing well. Anyway, shift is ended and now we need to get back home. Take the same road 1 kilometer away to reach to the taxi station. Of course, reading some pages on the way home. I like this book, so interesting. Well, I just arrived at home. I need to unpack my stuff and just get some rest, get some fresh air and just go and relax. Maybe take a shower and get some few hours of sleep. And that's it. That's a day of my life working as a doctor in an emergency room in Morocco and making YouTube videos, of course. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in another day. Goodbye.